Is this a decent budget Metabones speed booster thing? Let's have a little look. Maybe you don't want to lay down, I don't know, is it hundreds of pounds for the speed booster, as amazing as it might be your thing, but this Pixco thing, which I received literally just before travelling, seems like it might do the trick, and I've got the M42 to FX. Let's check it out and see if for around $100, £100-ish, although not sure if it's even back in stock yet. Is it any good? Let's open this thing up, which clearly I've already done previously. We're greeted with a drawstring bag and the unit itself. Quite obviously I've been using it, but you've got decent cap on the back and a fairly awkward to take off cap on the front, and you can see all that lovely glass inside. I mean, let's just show you what's going on in there. There's a whole bunch of glass. This is not a dumb adapter, so of course you can get the dumb adapters for dead cheap. In this case we've got the Helios 44M 58mm f2. Of course, once we throw that on the XT2 on a dumb mount, we're going to get less than f2, and we're not going to get 58 either. 1.5 crop, obvious. So that just screws on nice and simple, and it's solid. Line up your red dots. Yeah, it's a bit cold, whatever. Don't forget to set it to shoot without lens. Also, if you really want, you can change the mount adapter so it reads in XF. No other reason, as far as I can tell. You can set your manual focus assist to whatever you like. I like white high, and you're pretty much good to go. You can see I'm using the dual screen, so wherever I've got the focus point, that's where it'll magnify right there. Once you put it on your X bodies with the standard, you're getting a typical crop that the sensor records. Also, it's giving you more or less an extra stop of light. Also, I believe you can shoot at infinity. What we should do is take a look at some samples so you get an idea, a visual idea of what's going on. All shot wide open, all straight out of the camera, and yeah, simple as that. For around £85, $95, I would say it's worth checking out. Now, I'm not sure if it was a little bit soft when you use this. It could be the lens itself. Lens might not quite have it for me when it comes to that. But I think it's a good little number, especially as always in good light. But I want to hear from you guys and girls. What experience do you have with these things? Do you think, from your experience, it's worth getting this thing, saving a whole chunk of change over the Metabones sort of versions? What do you reckon? Get hold of yours at the link below. You might have to get it from the States, because I think I found a link now for Amazon that's still got stock, but check it out, see what you think. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and take it easy. Oh yeah, I want to say a big thank you to all the people that came up and said hello to me at the photography show. That was kind of crazy and extremely kind of you all. Thank you very much. I mean, nobody brought me black coffee, but pretty amazing. I really appreciate that. Leave a comment below. If you saw me, leave a comment below. And hey, we should have took a selfie, but I thought about it, but I think that would have been a bit big-headed asking for a selfie. But I really appreciate that you guys and girls took the time to say hello. Thank you very much.